Welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday evening, August 13th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of business and corporate news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on Surf Air Mobility Inc. NYSE SRFM 2025 Q2. Stonegate Capital Partners updates their coverage on Surf Air Mobility Inc. for the 2025 Q2, reporting revenue of $27.4 million, exceeding guidance. The company's performance reflects improved airline operations, optimization of the on-demand segment, and growth in the Surf OS software platform. Strategic capital actions include raising $44.7 million in equity and deleveraging convertible notes. Air mobility operations saw gains, with on-time metrics improving by over 20% YY. The company renewed contracts in Hawaii and invested in fleet refurbishment. The Surf OS platform includes Broker OS, Operator OS, and Owner OS, with new LOI agreements signed. SRFM remains at the forefront of aviation electrification, with a program for the Cessna Caravan. Management is confident in reaching targeted revenue of $100 million for FY25 and positive ADG EBITDA by year-end. Valuation places SRFM at a range of $5.50 to $8.90 with a midpoint of $7.20.
Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on Sky Harbor Group Corporation, NYSE SKYH, Q2 2025. Stonegate Capital Partners has updated their coverage on Sky Harbor Group Corporation, SKYH, for Q2 2025. Sky Harbor maintains strong operational momentum with new campus openings, leasing activity, and construction progress across its nationwide network. The company began operations at Dallas Addison and Seattle Boeing Field, with Denver Centennial set to start resident flight operations in early 3Q25. Miami Opa-locka Phase 2 broke ground, and pre-development is underway at multiple Tier 1 airport sites. Revenue for 2Q25 reached $6.6 million, up 82% year-over-year. Construction assets totaled over $295 million, supported by continued build-out. Gross margin was 2.0% in Q2, with an operating loss of $7.5 million. Sky Harbor ended the quarter with $74.9 million in cash and secured a $200 million debt facility for upcoming developments. Valuation analysis suggests a range of $13.53 to $20.69 per share. Barrett Hofherr helps Habit Burger and Grill turn competitors into content again. Habit Burger and Grill, in partnership with AOR Barrett Hofherr, launches Winning is a Habit campaign, following their success in USA Today 10 Best Rankings. The campaign includes a 10-day roast targeting competitors, with creative executions like a billboard trolling In-N-Out's drop to number 4. Social videos and celebrity cameos will be shared, along with OOH billboards strategically placed near rivals. The campaign closes with a digital offer of 20% off a $10 purchase, aiming to drive foot traffic and engagement. With a strong social presence and nearly 400 locations, Habit continues to leverage wins into provocative content. Forian Inc. announces second quarter 2025 financial results. Forian Inc., a leading provider of data science-driven information and analytics solutions to the life science, healthcare, and financial services industries, announced their second quarter 2025 financial results. Revenue for the quarter was $7.5 million, a 56% increase from the prior year. Net income was $0.2 million compared to a net loss of $2.6 million in the prior year. Adjusted EBITDA for the quarter was $0.6 million compared to $0.1 million in the prior year. Forian continues to focus on organic and strategic investments to strengthen their platform and enhance the value they deliver across the healthcare ecosystem. The company also reaffirmed their full-year 2025 outlook with revenue expected to be in the range of $28 to $30 million and adjusted EBITDA expected to be in the range of negative $1.0 to positive $1.0 million. Industrial Outdoor Storage, IOS. Investor acquires second property in Salt Lake City area in 2025 for $3.1 million. Steel Peak, a commercial real estate investment firm specializing in industrial outdoor storage properties, has acquired a second IOS property in Salt Lake City for $3.1 million. This marks their 8th acquisition in Utah, California, and Washington. The company plans to make strategic improvements to the building and yard to attract high-quality tenants. With a focus on contractor yards and industrial storage, Steel Peak sees strong demand in Salt Lake City due to limited M2 zoning. Construction activity in the Mountain West region continues to drive demand for outdoor storage spaces, making properties like this one highly sought after. Steel Peak will continue seeking investment opportunities in the western U.S., with values ranging from $5 million to $50 million. Q&A with Chris Beavers, CEO of Netbox Labs, modernizing the plumbing behind today's digital infrastructure. Netbox Labs, led by CEO Chris Beavers, is modernizing digital infrastructure management. With $35 million in Series B funding, the company is scaling its product to meet rising demand. Netbox helps organizations model, manage, and automate complex infrastructure, from AI data centers to global networks. Beavers explains the need for a modern system of record in a world where traditional tools are failing. Netbox serves a range of customers, from hyperscalers to government agencies, providing a single source of truth for infrastructure management. The increasing complexity of infrastructure, from AI clouds to legacy networks, is driving demand for scalable and reliable management solutions. Netbox's open-source roots create a strong community and distribution model, allowing the company to offer trusted software with commercial support. The long-term vision for Netbox Labs is to define the future of infrastructure management and provide clarity and control to engineering teams worldwide. Cetera reaffirms its position as a market leader in AI-driven hybrid cloud file services. Cetera, a leader in integrated data intelligence, has been named a leader and fast mover in the 2025 GigaOM radar for globally distributed file systems for the 5th consecutive year. Additionally, Cetera was recognized on the Frost Radar Hybrid Cloud Storage 2025 as an innovation leader with the most security certifications. Cetera's intelligent data platform unifies unstructured data across edge, core, and cloud environments, providing global file system access for AI workloads. With robust security features like role-based access control, encryption, and ransomware protection, Cetera excels in security and compliance. GigaOM and Frost & Sullivan praised Cetera for its hybrid cloud solutions, active data protection, and AI-centric innovations, positioning the company as a leader in the industry for growth and innovation.
Rent Redeye makes 2025 Inc. 5000 list for second consecutive year. Rent Redeye, the fastest-growing property management software for smart real estate investors, has made the prestigious Inc. 5000 list for the second consecutive year, ranking number 71 nationally among software companies and number 58 in New York. RentRedi continues to lead in the PropTech space. CEO Ryan Barone expressed pride in the company's growth, attributing it to customer trust and team dedication. RentRedi's innovative features and partnerships have driven its success, including accelerated payments, payment flexibility for tenants, a custom website builder, and landlord tools. The platform's measurable outcomes show real financial impact, with high rates of on-time rent payments and credit score improvements. RentRedi's all-in-one solution benefits landlords and tenants alike, streamlining operations and improving the rental experience for all parties involved.
Stronghold recognized on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies. Stronghold has been recognized as number 4575 on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies. This prestigious ranking highlights successful independent businesses like Stronghold, which offers modern financial infrastructure through Stronghold Net. CEO and co-founder Tammy Camp credits the team's dedication and innovative approach for this milestone. The top 500 companies on the list have shown remarkable growth, with a median 3-year revenue growth rate of 1,552%. Inc. will celebrate the honorees at the 2025 Inc. 5000 Conference and Gala in October. Stronghold, a fintech infrastructure company, focuses on fast, secure payments and decentralized finance solutions, serving thousands of merchants and partners globally.
Playboy to relocate global headquarters to Rivani, Miami Beach. Playboy has signed a lease at Rivani, Miami Beach, the flagship project of Robert Rivani, a visionary in commercial real estate and hospitality. The $100 million Class X office redevelopment will house Playboy's headquarters, redefining the workplace with luxury hospitality, wellness offerings, and elevated design. Rivani expressed excitement over attracting such a prestigious company, highlighting the project's energy and prestige. This announcement coincides with Rivani's rebrand from Black Lion to Rivani, emphasizing their commitment to creating revolutionary environments. The building, designed by the Rockwell Group, offers top-tier amenities such as a concierge, spa, fitness center, and omakase restaurant. Rivani's portfolio includes prime South Florida assets like Amara at Paraiso and Wynwood Jungle, with recent record-breaking deals in the hospitality sector. Bachelor Brothers Funeral Services announces joint venture with the Escamillo D. Jones Funeral Home. Bachelor Brothers Funeral Services, a dedicated provider of funeral and cremation services in the Philadelphia area, has announced a joint venture with the Escamillo D. Jones Funeral Home. The new entity, Bachelor Brothers and Jones Funeral Services, combines resources to provide unparalleled service with local understanding. This partnership aims to deepen connections within the Philadelphia community. With 2 locations and expanded services, the collaboration honors diverse cultural traditions and celebrates unique lives. For more information, visit bachelorbrothersjones.com or call 215-549-4700. Lionheart Health named as 2025 Top Implantable Stimulator Developer by MedTech Outlook magazine. Lionheart Health, Inc. has been named the top implantable stimulator developer of 2025 by MedTech Outlook magazine. Their patented Clotho implant and microimplant technologies deliver bioelectric signaling sequences to control regenerative protein expression, aiding in organ regeneration, muscle building, and inflammation reduction. Working with Leonhardt Ventures LLC, Lionheart has developed implantable stimulators for various applications, including heart and kidney regeneration. With over 500 patents and FDA clearances, Lionheart's technology aims to enhance health span and longevity through targeted protein release. The company's recognition highlights their impactful innovations in the field of medical technology. Valor ranks on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list. Valor, a Fort Worth-based tech-enabled professional services company specializing in oil and gas asset management, has been named to the 2025 Inc. 5000 list, recognizing the fastest-growing private companies in America. CEO Joseph DeWoody expressed pride in the team's dedication and innovation. The Inc. 5000 honorees, including Valor, have shown remarkable growth despite economic challenges, with top companies achieving a 1,152% revenue growth rate. Valor, known for its mineral management software and back-office services, continues to be a leader in the oil and gas industry. Learn more about Valor's services by visiting their website. Penstock ranks number 353 on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies. Penstock has been ranked number 353 on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies. This prestigious ranking showcases Penstock's exceptional growth, placing them among the top 50 fastest-growing companies in the healthcare and medical sector. Penstock was also recognized as the number 1 fastest-growing private company in the Northeast on the 2025 Inc. Regionals list. President and General Manager Steve Palma attributes this success to the trust health plan partners place in the company. The Inc. 5000 honorees have shown remarkable growth despite economic challenges, with the top 500 companies achieving a median 3-year revenue growth rate of 1,507%. We'll celebrate the honorees at the 2025 Inc. 5000 Conference and Gala in October, and the top 500 will be featured in the fall issue of Inc. magazine. The Dog Stop opens first New Jersey location with longtime friends turned franchisees at the helm. The Dog Stop is making its New Jersey debut with the opening of a new location in Long Hill. Led by local owners Rob Lax and David Weinberg, the grand opening celebration is set for late August, featuring a ribbon-cutting ceremony and treats for four-legged guests. With 10,000 square feet of space, the Long Hill location will offer luxury boarding, daycare, training, grooming, and more. The team plans to expand to at least 3 locations in the region and is committed to supporting the local community. The Dog Stop, founded in 2009, is known for its comprehensive pet care services and carefully selected retail products. For more information, visit thedogstop.com/grand-opening-Long Hill. Investor news breaks. D. Boral Arc Acquisition I Corp. NASDAQ B closes $250 million IPO. D. Boral Arc Acquisition I Corp. NERU has closed its $250 million IPO, offering 25 million units at $10 each. Each unit includes one Class A ordinary share and 1/2 of one redeemable public warrant. The shares and warrants are set to trade on NASDAQ under BCAR RW. Underwriters have an option to purchase an additional 3.75 million units, potentially raising total proceeds to $287.5 million. Funds will be used for a business combination. D. Boral Capital LLC acted as the sole book-running manager for the offering. For more information, visit dboralcapital.com. Flight Adventure Park ranks number 3,780 on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies. Flight Adventure Park has been ranked number 3,780 on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies. This prestigious ranking showcases the success of independent entrepreneurial businesses, with past honorees including companies like Microsoft and Under Armour. Flight Adventure Park, the only family entertainment center in the travel and hospitality category, is thrilled to make the list for the first time. CEO Stephen L. Yeffa expressed gratitude for the recognition, highlighting the team's dedication to providing a unique experience for guests. The Inc. 5000 honorees, facing economic challenges, have shown exceptional growth, with the top 500 companies achieving a median 3-year revenue growth rate of 1,552%. Flight Adventure Park, known for its space and aviation-themed indoor adventure park, aims to inspire imagination, fitness, and fun for guests of all ages. For more information, visit flightadventurepark.com. 24/7, named to Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies for second consecutive year. 24/7, a leading marketing, creative, and digital talent solutions firm, has been named to the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies for the second consecutive year. This prestigious recognition by Inc. magazine highlights companies that have shown sustained growth and innovation in a competitive business environment. Despite challenges in the staffing industry, 24/7's continued growth showcases their resilience and commitment to providing valuable talent solutions. CEO Anthony Donnarumma attributes their success to expanding capabilities and delivering the right talent solutions. With a focus on organic expansion and strategic acquisitions, 24/7 has solidified its position as a comprehensive talent solutions provider. This recognition adds to a series of accolades the company has received in 2025, further highlighting their commitment to excellence. Q&A with Michelle Perchuk, founder of MTV Coaching. Michelle Perchuk, founder of MTV Coaching, is a career strategist and former executive recruiter known for helping high-performing professionals in tech and finance achieve their career goals. With over 2 decades of experience in recruiting for Wall Street and Silicon Valley, Michelle's insider knowledge gives her clients a competitive edge in landing their dream jobs. MTV Coaching's personalized approach focuses on strategy, accountability, and clarity, leading to fast results with many clients securing roles within just 14 days, often with significant compensation increases. Michelle's signature line, "A resume is just a piece of paper without a strategy," highlights the importance of a tailored approach to job seeking. By blending strategy, accountability, and clarity, Michelle guides clients through a proven system that emphasizes problem solving and networking to stand out in competitive industries. Her work has been recognized on platforms like NASDAQ and Forbes, expanding her reach and impact in the career coaching space. For those feeling stuck in their careers, Michelle's advice is clear. Mindset is key, and with the right support and willingness to step out of your comfort zone, achieving your career goals is within reach.
Alkem Insurance ranks number 730 on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list, celebrating massive growth and national recognition. Alkem Insurance, a top new 5 insurance brokerage, has made its debut at number 730 on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies, showcasing a remarkable 3-year revenue growth of 565%. Inc. recognized Alkem for its expansion and market disruption, attributing the success to the team's commitment and innovative vision. CEO Curtis Barton expressed pride in the team's dedication to revolutionizing insurance distribution and client experience. Alkem's impressive growth amidst economic challenges places it among the nation's most ambitious companies. Look out for Alkem in the fall issue of Inc. magazine. For more information, visit Inc. 5000's 2025 list. Alchemy is a full-service insurance agency offering a wide range of insurance and financial services to businesses and individuals with a strong presence in 29 states.
Thompson Thrift earns a spot on Inc. 5000 list of fastest-growing private companies for 10th time. Thompson Thrift, a nationally recognized real estate company, has earned a spot on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of fastest-growing private companies in America for the 10th time. Ranking at number 3,801, this marks their 3rd consecutive year on the list. President Dan Sink attributes this success to their long-term vision and talented team. The Inc. 5000 evaluates companies based on revenue growth, showcasing the most successful entrepreneurial businesses. Thompson Thrift also ranked number 33 in Indiana and number 85 in real estate. With over $6.5 million in volume and 90 residential communities developed across 23 states, their impact on multifamily housing is evident. The company has also received national recognition with multiple awards this year, highlighting their commitment to excellence and community development.
Scalability of ES Gold Corp., CSC, OTQB, ESAUF. Tailings model represents profitable mining approach throughout the Americas. Sustainable mining company ES Gold, OTCAUF, is expanding its tailings cleanup operation in Quebec to potentially generate revenue at similar sites across the Americas. ES Gold is nearing completion of facilities for tailings recovery at an abandoned operation, aiming to generate up to $350 million over the next decade. The company plans to recover gold and silver from the tailings while exploring other mineralization for concentrate. This strategy will fund future exploration for untapped reserves without large capital raises. ES Gold is also constructing production facilities at its Eastern Canada site and exploring other sites for recovery and revenue generation in North and South America.
Arlington Capital Partners forms Numo, a leader in government modernization. Arlington Capital Partners has formed Numo, a new leader in integrated software and payment solutions for local, state, and federal governments. Numo was created through the merger of Avenue Insights and Analytics and Intellectual Technology, Inc., along with the acquisition of GovOS. With a focus on modernizing operations and improving services, Numo offers cloud-based solutions for public administration, DMV, revenue compliance, justice, and integrated payments. Led by CEO Paul Colangelo, Numo aims to enhance trust, efficiency, and convenience in government interactions. The company's name reflects its commitment to driving progress and innovation in government technology, with a customer base of over 4,500 government entities across North America. For more information, visit numo.com.
Investor news breaks. Golden Triangle Ventures Inc., GTVH, acquires Go Fast Sports brand in move into functional beverage market. Golden Triangle Ventures Inc., OTTVH, has acquired the Go Fast Sports brand from LaborSmart Inc., LTNC, in a move to enter the functional beverage market. This marks GTVH's first major acquisition under incoming CEO Javier Leal, who contributed $720 million of his personal LTNC shares to the transaction. Founded in 1996, Go Fast Sports has a global following in extreme sports, motorsports, and athletic communities. The acquisition positions GTVH to capitalize on the fast-growing energy and functional beverage category as part of its multi-industry growth plan. GTVH's business model focuses on acquisitions, services, and investments to make a positive impact in the industry. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at ibn.fm/GTVH. Fortran Corporation announces second quarter earnings for 2025. Fortran Corporation, a telecommunications system integrator, has announced its second quarter earnings for 2025. CEO and President Kent Greer highlighted the strong performance, showcasing momentum in the telecommunications business. With a focus on AI services, Fortran aims to set new benchmarks within its operating companies. The company offers complex telecommunications solutions with a focus on cloud-based and AI services, including engineering, design, network services, sales, remote monitoring, and on-site service. For more information, contact Fortran Corporation at info@fortrancorp.com.
Zuma Payroll and Processing secures fourth consecutive Inc. 5000 recognition. Zuma Payroll and Processing has secured its fourth consecutive Inc. 5000 recognition, solidifying its position among the nation's most dynamic entrepreneurial enterprises. The company, a trusted partner for small and medium-sized businesses, focuses on streamlining payroll operations, ensuring tax compliance, and optimizing human resources management. Zuma has expanded its client portfolio, added industry professionals, and introduced cutting-edge AI capabilities. CEO Chris Caputo emphasized their commitment to client success and innovation in the payroll services sector. This year's Inc. 5000 honorees, including Zuma, have demonstrated exceptional growth amid economic uncertainty and rising costs, generating a total of $300 billion in revenue in 2024. Zuma, founded in 2006, provides critical payroll and human capital solutions to growing businesses, combining innovative technology and personalized service.
Wint ranks number 1748 on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies. Wint has been ranked number 748 on the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies. This prestigious ranking highlights successful, independent businesses, with past honorees including Microsoft and Oracle. Wint CEO, Alon Giva, emphasized the importance of smart water management in buildings to prevent costly leaks and environmental impact. The Inc. 5000 honorees, facing economic challenges, have shown remarkable growth with a median 3-year revenue growth rate of 1,052%. Wint, a leading water management solution, has prevented over 10,000 water incidents in 2025 alone, saving 2 billion gallons of water and reducing 30,000 metric tons of carbon emissions. The company will be celebrated at the 2025 Inc. 5000 Conference and Gala in October.
DPR Construction begins interior work of Holy Cross Emergency Department in Deerfield Beach. DPR Construction has started interior work on the new Holy Cross Health freestanding emergency department in Deerfield Beach. After completing the exterior, including the roof and weatherproofing, the team encountered structural issues, leading to a complete demolition of the existing building. Despite the challenges, the project remains on track for the planned spring opening next year. Once operational, the facility will offer advanced diagnostic imaging, a fully functional on-site laboratory, private treatment rooms, and a dedicated ambulance bay. The goal is to reduce patient wait times and provide convenient 24/7 emergency services to residents of Deerfield Beach and surrounding areas. DPR Construction, known for its healthcare construction expertise in South Florida, is also building 2 additional FZs for Memorial Healthcare Systems. For more information, visit dpr.com.
Al Salami shares essential financial terms every new business owner should know before scaling up. Before scaling up a business, it's crucial for new owners to understand key financial terms: revenue versus profit, gross margin, working capital, EBITDA, leverage, cash flow, break-even point, ROI, burn rate, and valuation are all essential concepts to grasp. These terms help owners set realistic goals, assess profitability, manage debt, and prioritize investments. Financial literacy is not just about avoiding mistakes, but seizing opportunities for growth. By building a glossary, reviewing financial statements, consulting experts, and using forecasting tools, business owners can bridge the gap between knowledge and execution to navigate expansion confidently. .ai launches international deployment of its AI software and technology for the supply chain and logistics industry. .ai, a leader in asset intelligence technology, has announced its first international distribution partnership with Cantech Group in Australia. Cantech will serve as .ai's reseller and installation partner for their SaaS platform and Xiam IoT tracking technologies, offering clients real-time visibility and AI-powered insights. This collaboration combines Cantech's supply chain expertise with .ai's cutting-edge solutions, enhancing efficiency and security. .ai's solutions suite includes minimal infrastructure asset tracking, anomaly detection, and a scalable SaaS platform. This partnership sets a model for future international deployments, blending local expertise with transformative technology. With Cantech CTO completing strategic training with .ai, this partnership delivers a pathway to digital transformation for organizations seeking smarter asset intelligence solutions.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.